This is my dream home. It's, I guess you would call it French country. My dad designed homes, and he was very good at it, and he passed away. He would have really loved this house. I was looking for tile, and the place I was going to was very expensive. Didn't give me many options, kind of stuck in one theme and didn't go with what I was thinking about. So someone mentioned to go to Dalton, and I looked him up and went down there.
She had a specific look and color in mind, so we went through and found all the appropriate tile. A lot of natural material went into their home, stones, wood, so we really wanted to focus in on those things and make them the showcase of the home.
And Lee helped me narrow it down, pick out specifically what I wanted. Didn't try to steer me away from my colors, because I like gray. I've always liked gray, and I wanted to have lots of gray.
She was so easy to work with, so easy to work with. She just listened and accepted all of our advice. Through that process, she asked us again to come out and do the installation. And so even product we did not end up selling her, so some engineered floors that they put in their house, she asked us if we would be so kind as to install those as well, and we were happy to do it. She also had already previously put down a deposit with another company for her countertops. I suggested that she go back and ask if she could change that product to another product that I showed her. Through that process, I guess she just felt like we were a better fit, so she actually come back and asked us to do her countertops as well.
I think that if you've taken a look at Tile Source in the past and you preferred not working with them, you need to take a second look at them, because I think the new management that Lee has brings a whole different aspect to how they conduct business.
Everything I see new when I come walking in the door, I'm just, oh, that looks so good. It's better than I could have even imagined. That's what I like about Lee. He's excited about everything. He wants to help you. He wants it to turn out perfect, just like I want it to be perfect.